Abnegate, the power of self-denial in leadership and life. Imagine a world leader turning down immense power and wealth for the greater good of their nation. This act of self-denial embodies our word of focus today, abnegate. Word type. Verb meaning. Abnegate means to deny or reject something desired or valuable. It involves renouncing or giving up rights, claims, or privileges, often for moral or ethical reasons. Word history. The term abnegate originates from Latin. It combines ab, meaning away or from, and negare, meaning to deny. This etymology reinforces the idea of pushing away or denying oneself something. Antonyms. Some words with opposite meanings to abnegate include indulge, embrace, accept, and claim. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings include renounce, relinquish, forgo, surrender, and abdicate. Examples used in sentences. First, in politics. The seasoned diplomat chose to abnegate his claim to the ambassadorship, allowing a younger colleague to take the position. In personal life. Despite her love for sweets, Sarah decided to abnegate sugar for a month to improve her health. In literature. The protagonist's decision to abnegate his inheritance forms the central conflict of the novel. In a professional context. The CEO abnegated her bonus, redistributing it among the company's lower-paid workers. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing abnegate with negate. While abnegate means to deny oneself something, negate means to make ineffective or invalid. Another error is using abnegate when renounce would be more appropriate. Abnegate often implies a moral choice, while renounce can be used in broader contexts. Lastly, abnegate is sometimes incorrectly used to mean simply to deny a fact. Remember, abnegation involves giving up something desired or valuable. Mastering words like abnegate can significantly enhance your vocabulary for the IELTS exam. Its nuanced meaning and moral implications make it particularly useful in essay writing and speaking tasks, especially when discussing topics related to ethics, leadership, or personal sacrifice. By incorporating abnegate into your language repertoire, you demonstrate a sophisticated grasp of English crucial for achieving that band score of 8.0.